Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a haunted story that's been hidden away in the English countryside for decades. This is the abandoned home of a family who left everything behind after a tragic event. Join me as we explore the remnants of their lives and uncover the mysteries of what happened here. The house belonged to the Bennett family, who lived there for many years, but everything changed when their daughter Cindy tragically fell down the stairs. The family was devastated, and in the wake of their loss, they abandoned the house, leaving behind a treasure trove of memories. As we step inside, you can feel the weight of history in the air. The house has been untouched for decades, and it's almost as if time has stood still. Let's take a look closer and look at what's left behind. So look, we've got all sorts here. The old like jugs and stuff. Wow, look at that, that's from China or something. All the little trinkets. Also plan meals for children. The old powder. Look at the decay. We nearly didn't find this side. Oh, newspaper there. Yeah. This is cool. So we might have been spotted, guys. If you look at the floor, it's just in the hallway. Got a crocodile, a knight in shining armour. Look at this clock. And then this photograph of a young lad. So cool. I'm gonna go to this room. Oh, this is amazing. I'm so glad I came to see this while I could. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. This could be the #1 house. Explore. Yeah, look at all this as well. Crawfords, shortbreads, and then we've got turkey rug wool. This is amazing. Look at this unit. So cool. Keep hearing vehicles. So we've got all sorts in here. Books. Look at the old cutlery set. Income tax stuff. Couch. This has definitely been abandoned for a long time. Oh wow, look at these photos. Little baby. And then another photo over there. I think it's the same kid but older. And then we have a clock there, guys. Radio. Right, I'm going to go to the next room. This hallway. Oh, the front door's open. Anglesey. There's loads of bits and bats everywhere, guys. Look at these. These are cool. to find the coats. The floor is just filled. Oh wow. Wow guys. Oh wow. Musical instruments everywhere. This is special, this. We've got a paddle for a boat. John Bennett. Try not to show letters. It's an old record, that, isn't it? Jesus on the cross. What's this newspaper? Wow, 1959. Memos. Let's have a nosy at that. It looks like recipes. That's cool. Windsor Castle. This is where we get to the music side of things now. Look at this. Old record player. Does it have a brand on it? I can't see one. That's cool. And then the fireplace. Wow. Look at the detail on them tiles. Beautiful. And then a really old Hoover. That's something else that looks like it might have had a fire. I think it has had a fire at some point. And then look at these violins. Now they're cool. I'm surprised they've not been took. So to be honest, I don't think the thieves have been here yet. Thank God. And I won't be giving the location out. Quack quack. Loads of bits everywhere, guys. There's another violin hiding down there. Look at this stuff. And we had to sneak in here like ninjas because there was a Karen that lives close. I've been told. Oh look, there's another one down there. Wow, all the books. Look at this. Got the old piano. I'm not going to press it yet. Some sailing photos. And the old singer sewing machine. There's another one down there. If you actually look in here, look, there's loads. Like, I'm not going to start moving things around because some of it does look fragile. But yeah, look at the decay on this. Now that is crazy. That's fire damage, definitely, 100%. But you can't smell it. That's how long ago it was. So I'm going to move upstairs. Yeah, you can see the dust, so if anyone says this isn't abandoned. Oh wow, look at that window. That is amazing. Stained glass window. And you've got all bits just everywhere. It's kind of like a hoarders. And if you look over there, so much stuff. Some books. Can't believe I said books, I normally say books. And as we go up here, someone's arranged these. Probably another explorer, photographer. I Spy box. If you remember them, put it in the comments. I don't think I've ever seen them. Loads of books. These are actual, these 1958 tiger, lion. Cool. What's this? Manchester Weekly Times. Cadet. Ooh. Wow. Sure. Not gonna lie, it's got a bit of a vibe. Definitely. So many rooms. Children's Encyclopedia. There's a doggy. This is amazingness. There's the guy's hat. Looks like crocodile skin or something, that bag. And we've got a random TV on the landing. There's his glasses, look. Oh. Right, where do we start? Jeez, actually I'm starting this one. Look where I'm going to put my feet. This is crazy. Oh wow. Jeez, definitely hoarders. Definitely hoarders. Look at these. Bit mad, innit? That's like a voodoo doll, that one. Not down with voodoo. All the old books. Wow. Old letters in there. It's funky smell in here. Big old suitcase. Oh, there's the ladies' hats. Some fur coats over there. And another really old radio. Wow, look at that mirror. It's probably real silver. Jeez, it's hard to walk in here. Flaming heck. I just noticed all the hangers above my head. And watches. I'm gonna miss things, guys. Just let me know in the comments if you notice something that I don't. Oh, this room. I've just got a vibe as soon as I come in here. Oh wow, look at that. Old phone. And then, wow, is that like the original Suboot wheel? That's amazing. Some tins. I'm going to miss loads, definitely. Is this the Meccano? Wow, original Meccano. Well, that's worth a fortune. Books. 1972. Got a spider on my head. Just heard a bell. Look at this. It's a bit ominous, isn't it? So obviously there was religious. Definitely some pills there. Newspapers everywhere in 1974. It makes you think, I'm under his clothes in here. Makes you think, how long has it been abandoned? Because I'm not seeing anything modern. Big old 4-poster bed. 1974 again. So has it been abandoned for some time? Go around, it's just boxes of stuff. If you look though, guys, it's quite full, this room. Let's try and clamber out. does this calendar say? Wow. 1959. The latest dates I've seen are in the 70s.
30s.
And 70s, 50s.
30s,
no, the latest dates.
Oh no.
And there's no modern stuff, is there?
No, no modern stuff at all.
There's a door there. Where does that go?
I've got some people outside.
Yeah, I could have, but it's just walking past. I get a vibe, man. In that room there, get a vibe. Oh wow, this is the toilet, this, guys. Jeez, can't even get in there. Old wooden toilet seat. Now for this room. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. This is crazy, man. What's that? Fly reel. There's loads of old radios, don't know why, but in these old abandoned places they have quite a few radios. And I know during the war the main entertainment was the radio. Let's see, we've got photos just falling around on the floor. Put that there. Let's have a look at this young man. With his dog. And then look at this chest. That is epic. That is an epic chest. I do like my old chests. Empty though. Those are people have pulled stuff out of it. Another radio. And then one of these tape things. It's crazy. Absolutely nuts. I reckon that door goes up to the attic.